So today we have, we'll double check what year the thing is. 08 Nissan Rogue. Customer complaint is that it cranks but doesn't start. I pulled the plugs out, they're fouled. And then I was checking fuel pressure because the vehicle was running without fuel. And I had the accurate fuel pressure, but the dipstick, it smells a mix of fuel. So I'm going to try to do a test and see if the thing light up. If it does light up, that tells us that it's gasoline in the mix. So let me give my torch to this one right here. You can see right there, that's fuel. So on the Toyota, I forgot to keep recording. The thing that we found was the catalytic converter was clogged. It created so much resistance that it was not allowing the motor to breathe. I think I still have the images. Let me see. Let me see if I can pull up the text. With a customer. Oh, here they are. Okay, let me know. So that the bore scope, you can see a chunk right there. That is the altitude sensor after the cat. Okay. Right there was broken. You can see right there too. Here is a picture of how many PSI it was pushing. With that being said, we replaced the cat. We took off all the pieces that were broken, and the vehicle was running perfect. Oh yeah, we also changed the oil because there was fuel in the oil.